Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make candy from sugar. We'll start by understanding the fundamental principles that govern candy making. The interaction of sugar and water, combined with precise temperature control, is key to creating various delightful confections. Using a reliable candy thermometer will be your best friend for achieving consistent and perfect results every time you embark on your candy-making adventure. Understanding sugar stages is crucial for any candy maker. Each stage, defined by a specific temperature range, results in a distinct texture. For instance, the thread stage is perfect for syrups, while the hard crack stage creates brittle candies. Knowing these stages allows you to confidently create everything from fudges to lollipops, ensuring your candy has the desired consistency and bite. Before you begin, gather your essential tools and prioritize safety. A sturdy, heavy-bottomed saucepan is ideal for even heating. Keep a pastry brush handy to prevent sugar crystals from forming on the pan's edges. Most importantly, always wear heat-resistant gloves and exercise extreme caution. Hot sugar can cause serious burns, so safety should always be your top priority in the kitchen. Let's try a simple hard candy recipe. Combine 2 cups of sugar, 2/3 cup of corn syrup, and 1 cup of water in your pot. Heat this mixture to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, reaching the hard crack stage. Once off the heat, carefully stir in your desired flavorings and food coloring. Then, pour it onto a prepared surface to cool and harden, creating delicious, homemade hard candies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.